In this video, I'm going to show you how to forward a message on iPhone. Now, this can be done on your Messages app with or without iMessages. So open up your Messages app and find that photo you want to forward. Just long hold until you see this and then click on more. And at the bottom right, you will see this arrow. And once you click on it, you can forward it to whoever you want. You can forward it to multiple people. And once you're done, just click on send. And as you can see, now the message is forwarded. And that's basically it. That's how you forward a message. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe, and let me know what video I should do next.